Good morning, YouTube. I wanted to give you an update on my grandson's car, which I seem to have fixed, and I was going to basically tell you the story on how I did it. It's a 94 Honda Accord, and I got it to run. So the problem with the Honda Accord is the fact that you turn it on, it starts for about a second, maybe two, and then quits. And then you shut it off, then you try it again, it starts for a couple of seconds and then quits. And it does that on and on and on, and it just never will keep running. So I went on YouTube and I found, and I can't remember the guy's name, but I found a video that showed what he had done to fix his problem. And one of them was to take a blow dryer and heat up the ECU, which is located in the passenger side footwell. So I'm going to show you how I did it, and maybe that can help you fix your Honda Accord. So here's what I did to fix my grandson's Honda Accord. There is a panel right behind this footwell on the passenger side. As you can see, this is the passenger side. And then right here is a plastic trim piece. So what I did was I pulled this off, and then I pulled up this carpet. Let me show you how I did that. And then take out that plastic little stay right there, take it off. And actually I didn't have to take that one off. There was one that's back underneath here that I did have to take off, but I didn't have to take this side one off. Anyway, this is the metal plate that houses the ECU, and the ECU is actually this over here, and you can see part of the circuit board right through there. But I took this bolt out right there, that bolt over there, then there's another bolt down here, and then another one down there, and I got all four, and then all of this comes out, and the ECU is located right here. So what I did was I took that ECU out, I took the screws off of it, and I took it down to the circuit board. And then what I did was I took and with a toothbrush and some flux, I just painted the back side of the circuit board. And then I took a soldering iron and I heated up every single joint on that circuit board. Methodically went through the whole circuit board and just heated it up and then let it cool back down and solder back onto the board. So I'm thinking that there is either a cold solder joint or a joint that's not quite got enough solder on it, or a bad connection or something. But anyway, I went ahead and soldered the whole thing, and it worked. And it's been working for about 2 weeks now, and with no trouble. So I thought I'd share this with you, just so that you, if this is happening to you, you may be able to get that and do the same thing and solder those connections on the back of that board. Be very careful that you don't solder two connections together. I never used any additional solder. I just used the solder that was there on the board. But I really coated it. I was very liberal in the amount of flux that I use. I literally painted it on the back of it so that all of the solder would flow evenly. Anyway, that's how I did it. So there you go, YouTube. Hopefully that helps you fix your 1994 Honda Accord, or somewhere around that vintage of Honda Accord. We had a great time doing it, but it seems to be working. It's been working for about 2 weeks now, and I'm pretty satisfied that I did get the repair done. So if that helps you, hit that like and subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks.